Yeah, how far my people, how una dey, wetin dey sup? Yeah. Okay, this person wey ask how long do you think this bear market will last? Bro, bear market no get expire date o. The same way wey bull market no get expire date. You get the point now. You see this bear market wey we dey, na normal thing. I don wait, you know say I don talk am back then. Yeah, say we still dey for bear market. Bear market never finish. Those people wey pay at ten tion to that my video wey dem dey on stable coin, na dem dey in profit now. But you wey get coconut head wey you talk say no, because say BTC do 2%, you run go buy your altcoin. Now your altcoin don do -80%. Sorry o, dem never leave you, dem don leave you. Okay, na my point be this. Before you jump inside that deep wey you wan buy, before you buy that deep, do wetin? First look BTC. Wetin BTC dey do? Why BTC dey dump? Why e dey drop? Check the news wey dey make BTC drop. Wetin dey cause the drop? All this news, all this info na fundamental, na the only thing wey dey affect BTC be that. You get the point? And anything wey affect BTC, if BTC do -2%, your altcoin, I mean all your altcoin, even Ethereum sef go collect. I no wan know how the coin wan strong reach. Anything wey affect BTC go affect all your fucking altcoin. Shey you dey get the point now? If BTC do -5%, your altcoin dey do 50%, -50%. Shey you get? So before you buy any coin or any this thing, first look BTC. Wetin dey sup with BTC? Because BTC na the oga kpatakpata of any coin. If BTC dey go up, probability dey say okay, if your coin na better coin and people dey invest on am, e go go up. If BTC dey drop down, if your coin make e be the coin wey dem dey use for the whole wide world, e sure for me say anything wey happen to BTC go surely affect that your altcoin. Now wetin this my message dey for be say, before you jump inside that deep, inside that altcoin wey you wan buy, first understand wetin dey sup around BTC. Shey you dey get the gist now? First understand wetin dey sup for BTC for you to dey on a safer side. You get the point? So no just dey jump inside coin anyhow or dey buy deep anyhow. E no dey work like that. You get now? So learn wetin we dey call fundamental analysis well. Na my own sense be that. Ó dàbọ̀.